not the best of pictures, but popcorn in your Ninja Possible is, you know, I keep jumping each time it hits the lid, is actually possible. I heated a tablespoon of oil when it was, well, when it was preheating. Then I added a couple of tablespoons of butter once it had reached temperature on sear saute, and added about 1/3 of a cup of popcorn. And as you can see and hear, it is popping away quite merrily there. So I wonder what we're on at the moment. 4.5 minutes and we're still popping. As soon as it stops, I'll give you a time check. Oops. I think there's a couple of bits that have got burned, but this is the first time, so we'll just go with it, shall we? I think the popping is slowing down. As I say that, they all decide to go a bit crazy. Going to season this one with some cinnamon. Wow. Right, I'm going to turn it off now at 6 minutes and 10 seconds and let the residual heat keep popping it. Wow. It's got to be done soon, surely. Right, I'm going to leave it popping and I'm just going to go and get the cinnamon. Oh my days, look, popcorn. Let's add some cinnamon to it. Give it a stir. And then we'll give it a taste. Oh my goodness. Right. Okay, sorry I wasn't even focusing then. Let's try this piece that flew out. Well, no doubt about it, that is popcorn. So I'm going to get it into a bowl and right, popcorn in a bowl. Lots and lots of cinnamon on it. So I pick up a piece that hasn't got a lot. And a little sugar. So, see how it tastes. It's popcorn. Wow. So, can you pop popcorn in your Ninja Possible? Is it possible? Indeed it is. So, Ninja Possible popcorn. Give it a go.